ngiyabalaza nehlanyuka nizamazama nami ndakhetha ucula umuntu udlale yakhe indima kumele uqale phansi ugqibele ngoba kwesky Jobani made me I don't care whether you blame me I see you never pausing pushing ingancami bahlali bese sonke emfazweni siphushe shows singadlali indlela isende idinga umuntu abekezele qina ntwana yami ungalinga uyekelele nami ndasixelela nje uncama noba ingxaki zinhlasela nangona kuhlaba nje ngizoncekelela my teacher told me that is nothing with it comes without an effort I pray daily dear Lord qale kube mnyama gqibele ngokukhanya noba izlingo zikuhlasela vuka uthandaze ndoda ityubi lakwe bunzi layo kumele usebenze kumele usebenze Thando lomzali lilwe ndenze ndayindoda struggling for my success ibhande belibopha mama liqhawe suba nenhloni ngcumeke nawe azogcwela ingebiso engabonwa nangeliso uhlala nempihlo mama uthanda zoThixo insongo zokhusela uzibona uphumelela amavanga ngolwandle ukuze uqabele intaba umthunzi wophumula mhla yephelelwa ngamandla utata likwala wahambe sithi zobuya wanshiya nchiswa lilanga lala ngatyanga amadoda usebenzela iphango zondla ngotywala cinganzulu ngikhala nsiva nesisiyobisi bensithi sisithomalalisa safumana imisebenzi ithemba jone emaweni hlaselwa luphango Nibhenele sonweni nthandaze yegazi imali ndoda kuvuka ubukoli sathana unzalele sokweni leqa bamsulwa ndlibele ngephupho oyela amazwe mbokodwa ndibona into irongo selaklebhekile ukuze uziqhebule kule nyongo yeswekile eyamandla impumelelo ngunaphakade qiniseka ubeke lube lunye phambile uqiniseka uzakhe ngaphakathi uthembele kuwe dali khona lendlela iqaleki ngawe baludongo unyamezele sithi wakheke sebenza nzima uzinikele xa liphumayo uzokubona ukukhanya
Yeah man, I know life is so hard to the point that you feel like everyone is against you and you think suicide is the best way, but man, you gotta wake up and fight because you only know your power when you're in the cold. Yeah, anyway, thank you to Charity for the nice song. Yeah man, I think I'm motivated. Yeah, it's Black Thoughts man.